Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove suggestion history on the Google Chrome Android mobile. So here I've already opened the Google Chrome apps on my Android phone. So when you click on the search column or the search engine here, there will be a suggestion based on your history. So when you type in a letter, there will be a suggestion like this. And how to remove it, you can just long press on the result. For example, this one, just long press and there will be an options to remove the suggestion from history. Just click on OK and it will be removed just like that. But if you want to remove all of them, you can just clear the cache of the Google Chrome. So just long press on the Google Chrome, click on the app info, and then here go to the storage usage and click on the clear cache, and just like that it will be remove your suggestion history. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.